Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Pardon, stability order of carbocation. Yes.
So, like, are we going to complete 12th organic first, and after that we'll come to physical and inorganic?
Somehow we will complete 3 chapters of organic and then we'll move to physical part.
Okay, sir.
So you will not be taking 8:30 class in the evening.
The evening class, sometimes I take, sometimes there are some issues.
Okay, sir.
Anything specific you want?
No, sir, just asked.
Okay, I'll let you know. कभी कभी यार लाइट का थोड़ा इशू रहता है यहाँ पर, इस वजह से नहीं हो पाता है, बार बार आती जाती रहती है. Okay, we'll do that. Tej. So which carbocation is maximum stable and why? Which
So the
carbocation?
first one,
Why?
so it has the most number of alkyl groups attached to it.
Reason why? Why it is most stable?
So alkyl groups are has uh, plus I effect.
Very good, very good. But I want you to focus on hyperconjugation. Because I must have told you hyperconjugation dominates over I effect. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? They are stable due to
resonance,
Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this resonating structure? Any doubt in this resonating structure?
No, sir. Any doubt?
So,
Yes.
so how can we predict the number of resonance structures?
By drawing them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't predict it. I have drawn the structures and I have counted them.
So you can't predict it beforehand?
No. It won't be a good guess. Like I
Okay.
can tell you, if you have a benzene ring with a charge, adjacent to it, there will be 5 resonance structures. Okay. But I want you to draw it.
Okay, sir.
So in the resonance hybrid, there is a partial bond.
It has to be, right? Shouldn't it be?
Yes, sir.
So both are resonance stabilized. Which is more stabilized? Both are resonance stabilized. Which is more stabilized?
The resonance hybrid.
Huh? Both allyl and benzyl are resonance stabilized. Which is more stabilized? Benzyl carbocation. Why? Because it has more resonating structures.
So could you please scroll up a little bit?
Understood? Any doubt to anyone in this? Any doubt to anyone in this?
So it is always that benzyl is greater than aryl in terms of stability, right?
Don't you think so? And do we have the reason for it? Just tell me the reason.
So more resonance, resonance structure.
More resonators, that is why it will always be more stable than allylic carbocation.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this order correct? What if the allyl has bigger alkyl group? Then also resonating structure won't change. Unless benzene is there, number of resonating structure won't change. Is this correct? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
So can you scroll up a little? Done, sir.
Any doubt in this? Three-degree alkyl group with 9 hyperconjugation structure will be even more stable than benzyl carbocation. ये एक exception है, मतलब ये observation है, तो हमें याद रखना है. Any doubt? Any doubt?
So in the benzyl cation example, sir, I have a doubt.
बोलो.
So after the last resonance structure, so what will be there?
After the last resonance structure, what will be there means?
So so where will the electron move? I mean, so the bond.
The last one you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
We have resonance structure till here. This is just the mixture of all the structure. Understood?
Okay, sir.
All of you done? It won't change. Just a 3-degree carbocation with 9 hyperconjugate structure will come. पूरा चेंज नहीं होगा, जस्ट इसके आगे आ जाएगा ये. Okay. So the 3-degree after allyl is not the same. 3-degree can be others also, na? This can also be 3-degree. Yes or no? Madhura? And it does not have 9 hyperconjugation structure. Yes or no? तो ये कम हो जाएगा. Yes, that is why I have written exception. Just wait a minute. All of you done?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So in this exception case, we are considering hyperconjugation rather than resonance, right?
Yes. We are
Why
preferring
is
that.
it so?
It has been observed. See, all of them are kind of resonance only. But if you have so much of resonance which is coming from hyperconjugation, sometimes it dominates over resonance also. That's what we can say, because this is an observation. It has been
Okay,
seen.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in that order you have given 3 degrees less than the benzyl group, right?
Yes. That's why I have written an exception here for a particular 3 degree.
Okay, sir.
पर्टिकुलरली कोई एक 3 डिग्री है जो कि ज्यादा अच्छा है. जनरली 3 डिग्री आर लेस. Okay. Unstable carbocation. These are unstable carbocations. Why are they unstable? Okay.
Could you scroll up a bit?
What?
So just scroll up a bit. Done, sir.
So these are unstable carbocations.
Sir, but why are they unstable?
Why are they unstable? If we talk about the alkyl halide from where they are coming, then we will see that there is a partial double bond character between C and X. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because of that, it is difficult to break this bond. Hence, it is unstable. Understood? Understood?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in this?
Sir, but then that is to break the bond, right? After it is broken, why is it still unstable?
No, we won't be able to break the bond only. Reaction will come in backward direction.
Sir, could you repeat?
Yes. What I'm saying is this will not get formed only. Why it will not get formed? This is one of the reason. And the other thing I gave you, that positive charge is not stable on electronegative atom. If it forms, it's unstable and it is very difficult to form. Hence, it never get formed.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting these words?
So, but then how is the ion formed?
Which ion?
So the phenyl one.
This one? This one?
Yes, sir.
I'm saying these are the kind of things which should exist like other cations. Matlab, if you have 5 types of alkyl halide, if you remove halide from all of them, then something will definitely form.
Yes, sir.
So here we should get this kind of cation. We should get this kind of cation, but we do not get. Why we do not get? Because of the reasons.
So it is difficult to break the partial bond between the
C and X.
halogen and the carbon atom.
Yes, in case of phenyl and vinyl halide.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Understood?
So could you please explain again?
What do you want me to explain?
So why it is unstable? I didn't understand.
It is unstable because positive charge is unstable on double bonded atom. Double bonded atoms are more electronegative.
Okay, sir.
Secondly, there is a resonance Because of resonance, there is a partial double bond character between C and X. So we cannot break it.
So in the first one, on X there will be plus positive charge.
Yes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So for the vinyl group, the plus charge is not on the electronegative atom.
Plus charges.
So it is not on the electronegative atom, right? For the vinyl cation.
See, what I'm saying is, this is vinyl halide.
Yes, sir.
If it gives carbocation, it will be like this.
Yes, sir.
Is it on the electronegative atom?
No, sir.
Why? Double bonded carbon atoms are electronegative,
Okay, sir.
right? So same reason we have for both of them.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt to anyone in this? Any doubt to anyone in this?
So please scroll up a bit. Yes, sir. Done.
Any doubt in this order?
So this is stability order, right?
Yes. It will be for all vinyls or only resonance stabilized. Madhura, are you talking about vinyl halide or vinyl carbocation? Because vinyl carbocation is not resonance stabilized. Yes, then it will be for all. All of you understood the order and the reason behind it. All of you understood the order and the reason behind it. Now this will come in other chapters also. So please write down this trend at the last page of your notebook. Write down this trend with reason at the last page. Wait a minute. Yes, Sanjana, all vinyl cations will be unstable. How the first structure is tertiary allyl. Allyl. I didn't say it's tertiary allyl. मैंने कब कहा वो tertiary allyl है? Sakshi, please speak up. Yes, it is tertiary alkyl. बट ये स्पेशल केस है जिसमें 9 हाइपरकॉन्जुगेशन स्ट्रक्चर हैं. सबने लिख लिया लास्ट पेज पे?
So can you scroll up for a second? Done, sir.
This is called bridge position.
So could you please scroll up? Thank you, sir.
This is called bridge head carbon. This is a kind of bridge between these two atoms.
So between which atoms?
Between these two atoms, right?
Yes, sir.
This is bridgehead carbocation. Yes, if you put alkyl halide here, any doubt in this?
So, but why are they unstable?
Because bridgehead carbon should always be okay.
So, what do you mean by should always be non-planar?
Okay. See, the notebook that you have, it is like this or not?
Yes, sir. It is like that
Now
flat
take
on
some
one.
of the take some of the pages from here. Take some of the pages from here. Hold them and try to take it in your hand. Like उनको उठाओ सारे pages को. थोड़े से pages लो और उनको उठाओ. Have you done it? Have you done it? Take some of the pages from here. Hold them and उनको ऐसे उठा लो एक बार अपने हाथ में.
Yes, sir.
Done it?
Yes, sir. So it is, sir, it is vertical.
Yes. Is everything on the plane?
No, sir.
No, that's what I'm talking about. This carbon has one of the bond
So could you
outside
please
the
explain
plane. Yes
again?
or no?
Yes, sir. One of the carbon is vertical.
Is this carbon only?
No, sir. Both of them.
Yes, both of them, right?
Yes, sir.
So they are having one of the bond out of the plane. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it will be sp3 hybridized non-planar.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about.
So could you please explain again?
देखो, I'm saying that this carbon should be non-planar. Madhura. Okay. Now, this is the kind of notebook you are having. ऐसे notebook है आपके पास जिसमें आप लिख रहे हो. Yes or no? Take some of the pages from here. Hold them. You will get the structure like this. Yes or no? Madhura. What I'm saying is this carbon has to be non-planar because it has one of the bond outside the plane or above the plane.
So, but then it is sp2 hybridized, right? The bottom one.
How can be sp2 hybridized? We have 4 bonds here.
So it is attached to a hydrogen also.
Obviously.
Oh, okay, sir. I thought only 3 bonds.
No, hydrogen I do not show generally.
Okay, sir.
Madhura, what I'm saying is non-planar unstable नहीं होता है. इस कार्बन को non-planar ही रहना है. This carbon want to be non-planar. और अगर ये कार्बोकेटाइन बनाता है तो ये प्लेनर हो जाएगा. बट ये कार्बन कभी भी प्लेनर नहीं हो सकता, इसीलिए ये स्ट्रक्चर कभी नहीं बनेगा. अगर आप यहां से हैलाइड निकालते हो तो यहां पर कार्बोकेटाइन आएगा. ये कार्बन अगर कार्बोकेटाइन हो गया तो ये sp2 हो जाएगा. अगर ये sp2 हो गया तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? अनस्टेबल, क्योंकि ये कार्बन कभी भी sp2 नहीं हो सकता. अंडरस्टूड? Bridgehead carbon can never be sp2 hybridized. Yes, yes, but that is not possible. Because we are not touching this bond. You can only assume that. Okay, Yash. All of you understood? Write down bridgehead carbon can never be sp2 hybridized. Can we have this type of structure? Can we have this type of structure?
Yes, sir.
Can we have this type of structure? Can we have this type of structure? Can we have this type of structure? What is the
No, sir.
hybridization here, Aditya? It's Aditya only.
Sir, it cannot be done, sir, because the carbon atom over there has 5 bonds.
5. Sorry. Can we have this type of structure? Madhura, Aditya. What hybridization
No,
we
sir,
have
no, sir.
here? इस कार्बन की हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कितनी है?
Sir, sp2.
Which is not possible.
Okay, sir.
Can we have this kind of carbocation?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because it is sp2 hybridized. The Bridgestone carbon is sp2 hybridized.
Understood.
Sir, but instead of a positive charge, it can attain a negative charge, right?
Yes. Very good. It can have lone pair, but not positive charge. Can we have this kind of structure? Can we have this kind of structure?
Sir, could you scroll up a bit?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Anti-aromatic carbocations are also highly unstable. Aromaticity concept we have already done. Understood.
So resonance doesn't stabilize them.
No, they are anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic. You may think that resonance is there, but it has another stability, that is anti-aromaticity. Okay, aromaticity. The only problem is we may think that resonance will stabilize that, but यहाँ resonance concept नहीं लगाना है. It has two unpaired electrons which highly unstabilize it. It has two unpaired electron in anti-bonding orbital. If you want, you can write it down. It has two unpaired electron in anti-bonding orbital. Understood?
So which atom has the two electrons? The
Overall molecule.
okay, sir. Okay, sir, understood.
All of you understood?
So could you please explain again?
I said anti-aromatic compound have two unpaired electrons in anti-bonding orbital. Anti-aromatic compounds have two unpaired electron in anti-bonding orbital. If you want the reason, otherwise आप directly कह सकते हो that anti-aromatic carbocations are highly unstable. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So for the cross-bridge carbon which we spoke, so is it that if we remove the halogen atom, then it still won't be planar?
We cannot remove an atom only.
So could you please repeat?
Because such
Your voice is breaking.
we cannot remove that halogen atom only, because structure will be highly unstable.
Okay, sir.
All of you understood this? All of you understood this? So now we have stable carbocations, unstable carbocations. So now we understood. Highly stable carbocations, cations having back bonding.
So could you scroll up?
This is also highly stable. Hello.
Done, sir.
Highly stable. Highly stable. This is called cyclopropyl methyl carbocation. Cyclopropyl methyl carbocation. This is also a highly stable carbocation. Highly stable carbocation. You can say this is one of the most stable carbocation.
So what is the second one called?
Triphenyl. Triphenyl methyl carbocation. Triphenyl methyl carbocation. Done. Done. Any doubt to anyone till here? Due to strained ring, want to open up. hence stabilizes carbocation.
So what ring is that?
Strained ring, highly strained ring. So much strain is there in that ring. Strain. संजना, जो काम इसमें एक बार हो रहा है वो काम इसमें 3 बार हो रहा है. बेसिकली ये बॉन्ड इधर मूव करता है एंड रिंग ओपन अप हो जाती है. व्हाई रिंग वांट टू गेट ओपन अप? बिकॉज इट इज हाईली स्ट्रेन्ड. क्यों स्ट्रेन्ड है? क्योंकि बॉन्ड एंगल है 60 डिग्री, हमें चाहिए 109 डिग्री. इसलिए आपने पढ़ा होगा एंगल स्ट्रेन थ्योरी में, ये आपके नोट्स में भी होगा, ऑफलाइन क्लास में किया है हमने. Before conformations of cyclohexane, we have done it. Any doubt?
So could you please explain the statement? I don't understand it.
I said 3-membered ring is highly strained. Why it is unstable or why it is strained? Because here bond angle is 60 degree. Okay. But hybridization is sp3, so it should be 109 degree. इसको 109 डिग्री पे होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये 60 डिग्री पे है. Hence this ring is highly unstable. Okay, Yash. Stage.
Yes, sir.
As this ring is highly strained, बहुत ज्यादा strained है, बंधी हुई है, तो ये खुलना चाहती है. Want to get open up. जितना ज्यादा strained होगा उतनी ज्यादा टेंडेंसी से it can get open up. और जब ये open up होती है तब ये cation को न्यूट्रलाइज कर देती है. When it gets open up, it stabilizes that carbocation.
So, but then it still has the positive charge, right? It didn't
But
neutralize
not
the.
on that carbon. And now we do not have that strained ring also.
Oh, okay, sir.
So, sir, when you said that the third structure that you have drawn, the number 3, so you said that is a highly stable carbocation. You meant that the structure that it turns into is the most stable carbocation.
I said this is yes, you can say that.
Okay, sir. So then the structure that you actually
No,
drew
wait.
was not highly stable. It is.
Wait. This is highly unstable. I meant that only. This is highly unstable because this bond can stabilize it.
So that structure is highly unstable, and the one next to it is highly stable.
No. Just listen to it first again. This carbocation is highly stable. Okay. Why?
Okay, sir.
Because it can have this process. it can have this process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you speak up. What you are saying?
So, but you said in the structure below that, you said that that is highly unstable, the similar structure.
I
Because
said
it is.
ring is. I said ring is unstable.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood. Understood,
मैंने
sir.
बोला रिंग बहुत अनस्टेबल है, इसीलिए वो खुलना चाहती है. जितनी पावर से वो खुलेगी उतना ही ज्यादा कार्बोकेटाइन को स्टेबलाइज करेगी.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
अगर रिंग स्टेबल होती तो वो खुलती नहीं तो कार्बोकेटाइन स्टेबलाइज नहीं होता. ठीक है.
Sir, understood. Yes. Thank you, sir.
रिंग अनस्टेबल है, कार्बोकेटाइन नहीं. Any doubt to anyone in this now? Any doubt to anyone in this now? Now you may say or you may think कि लेफ्ट वाला बॉन्ड क्यों खुला, राइट क्यों नहीं खुला? तो राइट भी खुल सकता है. Then we will get something like this. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we will get these two structures. कभी हमें ये मिलेगा, कभी हमें ये मिलेगा. Understood? Understood? So it feels like कि ये कैटायन डांस कर रहा है. It feels like ये कैटायन डांस कर रहा है, कभी लेफ्ट में कभी राइट में, कभी लेफ्ट में कभी राइट में, कभी लेफ्ट में कभी राइट में. इसीलिए इसको बोला जाता है डांसिंग रेजोनेंस. Understood? Understood? Any problem to anyone in this? Aromatic carbocations are highly stable. Any doubt in this? It is also because of resonance. मेन तो इसका फैक्टर एरोमेटिसिटी ही है, but yes, resonance is because of resonance only there is aromaticity. बट आप यहाँ पे ये नहीं बोल सकते कि सर बेंजाइल में भी तो रेजोनेंस था, है ना. दिस इज एरोमेटिक कार्बोकटाइन एंड इट हैज रेजोनेंस आल्सो. ठीक है, इक्वल रेजोनेंस मिलेगा यहाँ पर. एनी डाउट टू एनीवन इन दिस? तो हमने पढ़े एक्सेप्शनली हाई कार्बो हाईली स्टेबल, एक्सेप्शनली स्टेबल कार्बोकटाइन जैसे एरोमेटिक, साइक्लोप्रोपाइल मिथाइल कार्बोकटाइन, बैक बॉन्डिंग, ट्राइफिनाइल. यस और नो? यस और नो? हमने पढ़े हाईली अनस्टेबल जैसे ब्रिज हेड कार्बोकटाइन, एंटी एरोमेटिक कार्बोकटाइन. यस और नो? I said triphenyl कार्बोकटाइन. हमने बहुत ज्यादा स्टेबल भी पढ़े, बहुत ज्यादा अनस्टेबल भी पढ़े. यस और नो? यस और नो? और एक हमने जनरल ट्रेंड देखा, बेंजाइल, एलाइल, 3 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री, 1 डिग्री, मिथाइल, विनाइल, फिनाइल. एक हमने जनरल ट्रेंड देखा, बेंजाइल, एलाइल, 3 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री, 1 डिग्री, मिथाइल, विनाइल, फिनाइल. ओके, ये सब स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकटाइन है. शाम को मैं आपको एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ाऊंगा कार्बोकटाइन की, इसलिए क्लास मिस मत करना प्लीज. ठीक है, आई विल टीच यू अ स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कार्बोकटाइन. प्लीज डू नॉट मिस इट. स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कार्बोकटाइन आई विल टीच यू. Please do not miss it. Special property of carbocation I will teach you. Please do not miss it. That is it for today.
Thank you, sir.